Lexus LS 430 2006 model, full ultra, fresh import from Japan, 2006 model, full option car, original alloy wheels. Lexus LS 430. Check the interior side. This is the full ultra. Electric steering, cruise control, multimedia, electric steering, heated and cooling seats, sunroof. So if you want, contact me on my WhatsApp 055 908 7309 plus engine, gear, and chassis with passing guaranteed cars. We have all used car available for sale. Fresh import from Japan. Lexus LS 430, very neat and clean and beautiful car. So if you want, contact me on my WhatsApp 055 908 7309. Check the back seats, electric and the heated cooling seats. Full ultra car. No hair when work required. Engine, gear and the chassis. Passing guaranteed car. Check the engine side. Very good condition. Just buy and drive. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.